Hello everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. I'm gonna fry some dumplings. These are the dumplings that I have. I have my skillet on, it's getting hot. And this is what I'm gonna fry. Now, put a little oil in my skillet. It depends on how many dumplings that you're gonna cook. That's where the oil for the frying is concerned and how big your skillet is. Now I'm gonna get this and see, can I cut this bag open and get some out. You place them in the skillet like this while they're still frozen. Doesn't matter. And you're trying to turn them golden brown. That's the effect that you're trying to do. And these are dumplings that I'm making for myself. Try to get quite a bit of them for a video that I'm going to do. And these right here have a zipper on it. Let me go and put some of these right here. I do eating shows, which is try to get this open. How to get this one open. And I'm going to try it again. I have to get close to it. Trying to get inside this Ziploc bag. And once you do fry them, you sort of put oil in them. That one's turned over. And I do have some hot noodles, spicy noodles that I have in this pot. I already have the seasoning in it. I'm going to put a couple more of these in there. Try to cover the skillet up.
Will, guys from the city here. Yeah. If you was here, I said, yeah. You either fry them or you steam them, man.
Yeah, I decided to fry them.
Huh?
You can boil them too.
What'd you say? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna cut time and try to get this done. But this is the finished product. And I'd like to thank all of my beautiful people for joining us. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, do so at this time. And share it with somebody. They just fried dumplings, put a little water in the pan, steam them, and then your hot and spicy noodles. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye now.